Welcome to the Brain Test Challenge. Test your chemistry knowledge. Get ready to guess these 30 tricky elements by Thea-Symbol. Let's go. Question number 1. Which element is C? Carbon. What does O stand for? Oxygen. What is Na? Sodium. What about K? Potassium. What is H? Hydrogen. What does He stand for? Helium. What is Cl? It's chlorine. What is Au? It's gold. Which element is this? Silver. What is Pb? Lead. What Ca is stand for? Calcium. What is Zn? It's zinc. Which element is this? Magnesium. What about Sn? Tin. What is Si? Silicon. What is I? It's iodine. What does Li stand for? Lithium. What is S? It's sulfur. Which element is N? Nitrogen. What about Ne? It's neon. What about this element? aluminium? What is Cu? It's copper. Which element is Co? Cobalt. What is B stand for? Boron. What is Br? It's bromine. What is Ba? Barium. What is F? Fluorine. Which element is P? Phosphorus. What is Mn stand for? It's manganese. Which element is Fe? Iron. Comment how many did you correct? But make sure please like, share and subscribe the channel.